Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the basic things in JavaScript. That is, what is a statement, what is the meaning of a code, block, and comments. First of all, what is mean by JavaScript statement? Any valid line. That is, a statement may consist of values, operators, expressions, keywords, comments, each and everything in the script we are writing is called a statement. Suppose statement 1, statement 2. Clear? Now, what is mean by code? A sequence of statements simply is called a code. This is a JavaScript code which consists of 2 lines. And each and every statement executed by the browser in the given sequence. Remember, in which order we are writing the statement, in that order only the statements are executed. Means first this statement is executed, second this statement is executed. This entire thing is called code. Now, the third term you need to know is block. What is mean by block? The set of statements that are grouped together is called a block. Means any set of statements that are placed between opening flower bracket and closing flower bracket. This is one block. Suppose here one more. This is one block. Okay. What is the purpose of block? Once one statement in the block is executed, means all the statements are executed. Simply to make the sequence of statements execute together. Block means the set of statements are executed together. Suppose in my example, this is one block. This is second block. Now, I will show you one simple example. Here, you can write in either. This is my previous. You can write the script either in a head section or body section. How do you write a block? Simply document.write of hi. Document.write of hi. Hello. This is first block. Like this, I create any number of blocks. I can create any number of blocks. Good. Fine. Save. Copy the path. Go to here. See this one. Hi, hello, good, fine. First block is executed. Followed by second block is executed. That is the meaning of block. Now, comments. What is mean by comment? Comments, you know the meaning, the statements that are not executed. Just to for user understanding purpose only you are writing. Anyway, comments are of two types. Single line comment. Single line comment. Simply any statement that is followed by double slash. That is single line comment, multi-line comment in the sense some set of statements that are placed between slash star and star slash. This is called multi-line comments. I will show you one example here. This is single. Observe, color changed. Now execute. The first hi is not at all executed. That is called single line comment. Now what I am doing? Slash star. Here I will write down star slash. Even though I am removing the flower brackets. Now observe, this is the multi-line. These two lines are not executed. Two lines are not executed. Clear? That is comments. That is comments. Now we are moving into one more important thing. Semicolons. Till now I am not using semicolon. Is semicolons are compulsory or optional? Remember, semicolons are optional when you are writing the statements in multiple lines. See, here the output is displayed successfully. There is no problem. Now, I am placing the semicolon. Save. Execute. There is no problem. Now, semicolons are optional. But here, remove. If you want to write more than one statement in a single line, semicolons are compulsory. Now see, it shows an error. It shows an error. In that case, semicolons are compulsory. Now you got the point. If you want to write in multiple lines, semicolons are optional. If you want to write set of statements in a single line, semicolons are compulsory. Semicolons are compulsory. These are the basic things. That is what is mean by statement, code, block, comments, and semicolon. That's the end of today's session. Thank you.